Sorry for interruption. Now, the India is yet to attain self-sufficiency in edible oil production due to the pressure on edible oils like groundnut, rapeseed, sesame, rice bran, safflower, lysan, and castor, mustard, soybean, coconut, etc. There is need to explore non-edible oil like karanja, jatropha, mahua, tumba, which are evaluated as a diesel fuel replacement. Now, non-edible vegetable oils are there some of the oils. If an oil contains aflatoxin contents of pesticides, carcinogenic substances and toxic metal concentrations, the oil is labeled as a non-edible oil. There are several non-edible oils such as jatropha, pengumia oil, maduka, indica, magno seed oil, tobacco seed oil, on which the researchers as alternative fuel has gained momentum. In our country, even though a number of non-edible vegetable oils are available for the use in diesel engines as a fuel, karanja oil is widely used where because it is available in plenty, particularly in southern peninsula. Karanja is the botanical name of a Pongamia, also known as a Pongam in Tamil. Pongam or Karanja trees belongs to the Leguminosae family with the Mangolipota division and Mangolipsida division. Its botanical name is Pongamia glabra. Its scientific name is Pongamia pinnata. Its common names are Pongamia, Punna oil tree, Indian beech tree, Hong tree, etc. Now, karanja oil. Karanja oil can be extracted from karanja oil seeds either using bullock driven expellers or using motorized expellers. Expellers are also called as a gahanis, are widely used in Asia in rural areas. These are the seeds of karanja. Now, biodiesels. Biodiesel is a kind of fuel produced by a process known as a transesterification. This is the process of transformation of one type of ester into another type of ester. Vegetable oil is a triglyceride or glycerin is separated from oil ester and alcohol is added and formed as a alcohol ester known as a biodiesel. Biodiesel or biofuel or esters of vegetable oil is a replacement of diesel fuel. Biodiesel is defined as a monoalkyl ester of vegetable oils or animal fats. Biodiesel is the best substitute for the diesel fuels and diesel engines. The biggest advantage that biodiesel has over a gasoline and petroleum diesel is that its environmental friendliness. The production and the utilization of biodiesel is facilitated firstly through the agriculture policy and subsidizing the cultivation of non-food crops. The higher heating values of biodiesels are closer to that of petroleum products in the range of 39 to 41 megajoule per kg, which is slightly lower than the gasoline, that is 46 megajoule per kg, or petrodiesel 43 megajoule per kg. The biodiesel burns similar to the petroleum diesel as it concerns regulated pollutants. On the other hand, the biodiesel probably has a better efficiency than the gasoline. The important operating disadvantages of biodiesel in comparison with petrol diesel are cold start problems, the lower energy content, higher copper strip corrosion, and fuel pumping difficulty from higher viscosity. This increases fuel consumption when biodiesel is used in comparison with the application of pure petrodiesel. In proportion to share of the biodiesel content, taking into account the higher production value of biodiesel as compared to the biodiesel, This increase in fuel consumption rises in addition to the overall cost of application of biodiesel as an alternative to the petrodiesel. Typical ASTM standard diesel biodiesels are shown in the table. Now the advantages of biodiesel. Biodiesel can be used in any conventional unmodified in diesel engines. It can be used alone or mixed in any amount of diesel fuel. It has more lubrication than diesel, so it increases the life of the engine. It has a higher cetane number and higher biodegradability. It is non-toxic and it has higher combustion efficiency. It has high flash point and hence safe to transport and store. It is an oxygenated fuel and hence clean burning is achieved. It is a sulfur free and reduces the dependency on imported petroleum. It has low viscosity and hence improved injection and atomization. Use of biodiesel gives out reduced hydrocarbon and carbon monoxide and smoke emissions. It has 90% reduction in the cancer risk. It provides domestic and renewable energy. It provides employment opportunities. It is of domestic origin. It is soluble in water. It contains 11% oxygen in it. The comparison of properties of various biodiesel fuels are listed in the table below. Next are the emulsions. Emulsions is defined as two-phase liquid system consisting of dispersion of one liquid in another and in the form of droplets whose diameter is generally greater than 0.1 micron. The emulsions are classified into two types: water in oil type and oil in water type. When the water dispersed phase or oil are vigorously shaken, the former splits into droplets surrounded by oil. As the water is a polar and oil is nearly non-polar and hydrophobic, each water droplet is guided by others to dipole. The dipole pulls to cleave the oil barrier, diffuse through the oil, and finally coalesces. Since there is a repulsive force at the interface of oil and water, the oil wall around the droplet of water might be weak to protect droplets. The droplets therefore break the boundary, become out of it, and make a random walk and oil portion. Finally reach the other droplets and coalesces. Hence, the water in oil emulsion is said to be unstable in order to destroy such force and then to stabilize emulsions. Emulsifying agents which inbuilt hydrophilic and hydrophobic properties are added. The water in oil emulsions with an emulsifying agent is shown in the following figure. As the hydrophobic parts of the emulsifying agents faces water while hydrophobic parts faces oil, the interaction between the water and droplets through the intervening oil is suppressed and hence emulsion are stabilized. Now oil in water emulsion. In this type of emulsion, water forms the continuous medium whereas oil droplets from the dispersed phase. Typical examples are soap, solution and vanishing cream. Now next are the next type of oil. Now summary of the video. In the preceding paragraph, the details about need for alternative fuel, alcohols or IC engine fuel ignition improves the additives, edible oil and non-edible vegetable. Properties of common vegetable oils, the reason for choosing non-edible Karanja vegetable oil. Non-edible oil potential in India, fatty acid composition and structure of Karanja oil. Top 10 nations in terms of biodiesel production and biodiesel emission, types of emulsion, stability of emulsion are presented. The availability of various alternative fuels were discussed previously. Now, in present investigation, biodiesel obtained from the non-edible Karanja vegetable oil is used to its potential availability. So, this is about the alternative fuels which we should use in the IC engine. Thank you.